Northwestern Tarrant County, and western Collin County, all in north central Texas. Please stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County, Denton County, northwestern Tarrant County, and western Collin County, all in north central Texas. That will be in effect until 10 p.m. At 9:03, a severe thunderstorm was located over Briar, moving east at about 55 miles per hour. Hazards included 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible and quarter-size hail. Again, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County, Denton County, northwestern Tarrant County, and western Collin County in north central Texas. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Grapevine, Keller, The Colony, Southlake, Cold, Highland Village, Hazel, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Eagle Mountain, Lake Louisville, and Briar. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 471. Interstate 35W between mile markers 63 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 448 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
7 days.
Heavy between mile markers 448 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Wise County in north central Texas, northeastern Parker County in north central Texas until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:04 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Reno, or near Briar, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hazel, Briar, Reno, Springtown, Boyd, Cottondale, and Sanctuary. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill.